Pearl. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, western Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winslow to 7 miles south of Monroe to Cedarville to near Freeport, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Evansville, Brodhead, Belleville, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footville, Magnolia, Dayton, Attica, Cooksville, Avon, and Judah. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central Wisconsin.